All right, we're going to work on the rest of your worksheet, which I have a picture of. So I believe we got to number 4. I'll read number 4. I have a picture of it in front of me. The weight of 49 marbles is 702.4 grams. There are only 2 kinds of marbles, red devils and Aggies. The red devils weigh 11.8 grams each, while Aggies weigh 17.2 grams. Find the number of each type in the collection. So what's the information we have here? We know that there are 49 marbles. We know that the weight of the 49 marbles is 702.4 grams. We know that red devils weigh 11.8 grams. Equals 1 red devil. We know that Aggies, or whatever they're called, weigh 17.2 grams. And we have to find the number. Find out how many. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to define our 2 equations, okay? So I am going to say that red devils are X and Aggies are Y. Now, one of the equations is the number of marbles. So that is red devils, X, plus Aggies, Y, equals 49 marbles. 49. That's one equation, an easy equation. The second equation is weight. So we have 3 values for weight. So remembering red devils is X and its value is 11.8 grams. So 11.8 X plus 17.2 Y, because 17.2 is the weight of 1 Aggies, equals our total weight, which is 702.4. Okay, so there are our 2 equations. X plus Y equals 49, and 11.8x plus 17.2y equals 702. Now we have to pick one, and like I always say, pick the easiest one first. So obviously I'm going to pick the first one. And I want to isolate y, okay? So I'll write down my instructions. Isolate y. And then simplify, if possible, simplify. Then move plus minus, plus and minus. And if we need to, move, multiply, and divide. Okay, let's start. X plus y equals 49. So where is our y? Here. Now remember, this y does not move. It stays there. Okay? So I want to move plus and minus first. How do I move this x that is plussing the y? Well, I minus x on this side, which kills these 2 x's, and I minus x on this side. So minusing x on both sides. Now it is y equals 49 minus x. Okay, we did it. We solved that. Now we have our y value. So we plug this y value back into the second equation. So let us write our second equation one more time. (11.8x plus 17.2y equals 702.4. Now we know that y is equal to 49 minus x. So we can rewrite this equation. 11.8x plus 17.2 times 49 minus x equals 702.4. Now we go back to our rules, but this time we want to isolate x and simplify. Move plus and minus, and then simplify. Move, multiply, or divide, and simplify. Okay, so isolate x. Well, we see that there are two x's in this problem. So first, we have to add the two x's together. So we first have to multiply the 17.2 into the problem. So let's do that. We keep the 11.8x, nothing's happening to it, plus 17.2 times 49. I'll grab my calculator. 17.2 times 49. 842.9. And minus, because a positive and a negative makes a negative, 17.2x equals 702.4. Okay, now we can simplify this. 11.8x minus 17.2x. Let's do that. 11.8 minus 17.2. Negative 5.4. So now we have negative 5.4. Ooh, what happened there? Negative 5.4x plus 842.9 equals 702.4. So now here we have one x. We're happy we have isolated our x. This x does not move at all. So now we go on to step 2. Move plus and minus. Here is our plus that's plussing onto our x. We want to move it. How do we do that? We minus 842.9 from each side. 2.9. That gets rid of this 842. 702 minus 842. Who knows what that is? 702.4 minus 842.9 equals negative 140.5. Negative 140.5. So it's negative 5.4x equals negative 140.5. Okay, now what do we do next? Move, multiply, or divide. So this 5.4 is multiplying to the x. We want to get rid of it. How do we do that? We divide each side by negative 5.4. Divided by negative 5.4. Now, let's see. 140.5 divided by negative 5.4. 26.02. X equals 26.02. Okay, what does that mean? So our question asks, find the number of each type in each collection. 26.02, well, that rounds pretty much exactly to 26. 26x. What is x? Well, we said that x was a red devil. So there are 26 red devils. Okay, we have 26 Red Devils. How many Aggies are there? Well, we put this number, we put our 26 back into our original equation. And our original equation, if you remember, was x plus y equals 49. So now we plug our x back into here. 26 plus, sorry, you can't see that, plus y equals 49. Okay, remember our rules. How do we solve this? Isolate y, move plus or minus, move, multiply, or divide. So isolate y. Here's our y. This y will not move. Move plus or minus. Okay, so 26 is adding to the y. We want to move it. We subtract 26 from each side. That gets rid of that 26. 49 minus 26. Let's see. 49 minus 26. 23. Y equals 23. Okay, great. So that means that there are 23 Aggies. And that's how you solve that question.